today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a online store within minutes. And I'm not going to use Shopify, I'm going to use bolt.new. So first, depending on what you want to make, it could be a clothing brand, it could be a digital product that you want to do, or if you want to make a drop shipping website, or if you just want to create something for a product that you just made and you're just wanting to get it up and running and you don't want to waste 500 bucks on someone from Upwork to create you one, and you want to learn yourself, but you don't want it to take like a week just to make. You want to get it up and running ASAP because you think you have the best product. So if you want to do that really quickly, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So for example, if you found a brand that you want to like not copy, but you have inspiration from, that's how I'm going to put it. If you have inspiration and you just want to, have something similar, first you will just need to go here and click Windows, Shift and S. And straight away, I'm just going to screenshot that. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask if it can help me. I'm going to ask ChatGPT if it can help me. I'm going to change it to 04 mini high because it's a better ChatGPT model. And I'm going to ask it to help me prompt using a photo. I'm taking inspiration. Help me prompt this. I want to use bolt.new to create a website. This is a clothing store that I want you to take inspo but not copy. Please give me a prompt. Give me a detailed prompt. And now we'll wait and see what ChatGPT has to say. We'll let it start thinking. All right, let's see what happens. As you can see, it's made us a prompt very quick, and let's see what bolt.new can actually do. So let's see what happens. Now I'm going to paste it in here and click the blue button here. See, as you can see, it's coding for you. You don't even need to worry. It's prompting, it's doing what you need to do. And let's see the end results. We'll wait. First, we'll go down here. It's doing everything that you need it to do, which is crazy. All right, it's going down and changing the JSON. And let's see, we've got a preview. And like that, we have a clothing store within seconds. You can see the power of that. I believe that if you use ChatGPT to write your prompts, so you're not here trying to think that what you want to write, and you have inspo, and you can ask ChatGPT. You could ask it if you want something particular. So if you want a logo that you have, add the logo, whatever you want, and you just prompt it and you just merge things together to create the perfect store within seconds. Back in the day when I used to do drop shipping, this would have been a game changer. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And that's it for today. I also want to mention, actually, before I go, that I have a ChatGPT free guide in the description, and it's pretty much a guide to pretty much create brands, create automations, scale your business, just help you in your daily life of business, because it's helped me so much, and I believe that it can help you too. It could save, like example, this video. We made a website within seconds. I'll actually go through it. So now you can click it and scroll down, and it's pretty much give us a front page. So you can see the example right here, how quick this took and pretty much how much time it saved. So yeah, this is a great example of my course. I mean, this is a great example of my free PDF. It will help you create stuff within seconds. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.